Alright, safety iron off the divide in these trees because of, you guessed it, a thunder snowstorm with lightning. That's the divide up there. And we just ran off of it into these trees because of the lightning. Safety, how do you feel? Oh look, there's more lightning.
Every fucking day. Can I say fuck?
It's right on top of us!
So this is like bailout. This is probably a good bailout here. This is probably our first real bailout.
Well, if we don't get struck. I mean, we've been in a lot worse than this.
Well, we were up on the ridge, and obviously we had to come down.
Yeah, we dropped like 1,000 feet in about a minute and a half.
No, that's not true. Probably like 200 feet.
That's not 200 feet. You're so silly.
So I guess we stay here until it blows over.
Yeah, I don't know.
And then what?
I don't know. The weatherman said it was supposed to be quick hitting storms. I don't know if you can... Look, it's snowing. Well, it's kind of like a hail, but a lighter hail.
It's probably more like freezing rain.
Yeah.
Which is both worse than rain and snow.
This is where we came through. Look at that. You can't even see the top of that. I don't know if this is, now it's actually it's just snowing. I'm gonna get back into the trees here.